everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today is actually the third video of today that I've been filming. So bear with me, my throat's starting to get a little dry. I'm probably gonna have to grab some water in a little bit. But today I have 2 items left out of the 4 that we started with. And the 2 that are left, I'm gonna go ahead and do the one that's the main reason that I made the purchase. The other one I'll do in another video after this one, and that'll be the end of today's filming. So today is about this product here. This is from a brand that I'm assuming is pronounced Havit, H-A-V-I-T. I've never used their products before, but they are extremely low cost, budget oriented products for gaming stuff. They do mostly keyboards, mice, headsets, things like that from what I've seen. This is supposed to be a keyboard mouse combo, so we're gonna pop it open and see if it was. Now the price tag on this was actually about 30 bucks, and then I got it with a coupon code thing that they had on Amazon, and so it came out to like $28, $29, including tax for my location. I think it was like 27 or 28 before tax. I'll try and put a little note at the bottom of the screen for that. The box is really plain. Just says made in China, www.prohavit.com. Has their logo there, has the item here, and it has hello, thanks for choosing Havit. So I've not opened it yet. It did not come sealed with anything. Stuff is moving around inside, not a good sign usually. But let's take a look and see what we got for our $30. So their box is one of those tricky boxes. That really didn't sound good. Okay. Now, so the box is upside down, which is never a good thing. All right. So we get a little user's manual and a little, looks like warranty card type thing. 18-month warranty, so that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and fold that, put that down. Let's see here. Inside, we have this little box here. So it's a key puller that's making all the noise. The other side got bashed pretty good, but it doesn't look like anything inside got damaged. So the cable is braided, which is always really good. The mouse is covered in bubble wrap, which is a good thing. Not seeing any signs of scratches, doesn't look used, so that's good. Scroll wheel feels nice and comfortable. The mouse feels nice and comfortable. I actually really kind of like that mouse. It's got some grips on the side. So it's got a DPI switch. It looks like a light switch for the changing the RGB to it. It is RGB along the outside around here, the logo and the scroll wheel. However, I don't think it's controllable by software. I think it's only controllable by the button. And then it's got 2 buttons on the side for like forward, backward on browsing, and then gaming you can have like button 3, button 4 type thing. So that's actually really cool. I like that. That's cool. Now for the keyboard, the main reason that I got it was for the keyboard. And the reason that I got this keyboard is because it's a $30 mechanical blue switch keyboard. Again, braided cable, which is always nice. So it is audible, which is good. That's what I bought it for. However, it's not as audible as I'd hoped. My Red Dragon is much more audible than this one is, and I do prefer that sound. However, this will do for what I have intended for it. The main reason that I bought this kit is actually for a laptop. I'm going to use the keyboard because I like the clacking sound. I find that it helps me clear my mind when I'm typing on it. And so I'm going to actually use it with my laptop for like schoolwork and also for writing, because I do write on the side, short stories mostly. And so I find that it reminds me a lot of typewriters when I was younger, and I grew up with that kind of stuff, typewriters and old mechanical keyboards when they first had computers out. And so I find that kind of relaxing and allows me to focus and put my mental juice towards stuff. I do also really like the design of the keyboard. It's kind of minimalist, but it has RGB if I remember correctly, and then it's got these little bolts that make it look like it's mechanical, not like it's a keyboard to a computer, but like it's actual mechanical item, which I really like. I find that cool. So anyway, that is what today's video is on, is just what we get for our $30 from Havit. And so this is a mechanical keyboard and a RGB mouse for gaming that costs less than 30 bucks when it's got a coupon. It costs about $30, and I'll put the exact price down below when you don't have the coupon, before tax of course. And so I will include a link down below in the description as well. Again, remember that if you purchase through one of our links, they are affiliate links. We get a kickback from Amazon. Nothing extra gets added onto your total, but it comes out of what you pay to them. They give us a small amount, and that helps the channel to stay running and things like that. So if you do want this product, I would greatly appreciate it if you use our link. So aside from that, that is the end of this video. I do hope that you found it informative. If you did, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that should be in this general area here, and that way you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section. You can also keep track of us on Twitter @TowersGrey. And then as always, if you have any questions about myself for the channel or about the product, make sure you leave those in the comment section down below, or message me on Twitter @TowersGrey. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.